Doing good? In this video, I will be showing you how to add Chatbox on Shopify store. The first thing you will need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Apps. After selecting Apps, I want you to tap on App and Sales Channel Settings. Once you have done that and you're on this page, you will need to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right-hand corner. After selecting Shopify App Store, what I want you to do next is tap on the search bar at the top of the page and I want you to type in Chat Support. After typing in Chat Support, you will be redirected to this page and you can see that there are numerous apps that you can use. But the app that we'll be using for this tutorial is Chatway Live Chat Support. And you can see that it is completely free to install and it is also highly rated. So all you're going to do is tap on Install App. Once you have selected Install App, you'll be redirected to a new page and from there you'll be able to start setting it up. So the first thing that you'll be asked is to enter your full name, which will be displayed to your visitors. Then you're going to set a password. So let's set this password real quick. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Next in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you can scroll down and you can start setting up your widget. So you can see an example of how the widget looks in the bottom right hand corner right there. So you can select the widget color that you would like to use. You can also edit the header right here. And you can also tap on Advanced Settings. And from there, you could edit the header font. You can also edit the avatar border and so on, as you can see there. And you can also choose the system message icon. So you can select whichever one of these icons you would like to use. You can also choose the positioning, whether you would like it to be left or right. You can do that, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll down. From here, you could edit the text that persons see when they see your chat box. So for example, at the moment, you can see that it says, "Hi, how can we help you?" If you would like to change that text, you could do that in this section right here. You can also edit the widget size. So at the moment, it is set at medium. If you would like it to be large, you could tap on large or extra large or XXL if you want. Then you're going to scroll down and you can choose whether to click to open or open by default, as you can see right here. So we're going to select open by default and you can see the chat box right there. After doing that, you're going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on next, from here you could add team members if you want, but we are going to tap on skip for now. So after doing that, you can see right here the complete setup. We're going to tap on complete setup right here. After doing that, you're going to be redirected to the editor page. And once it is toggled on, as you can see right there, you are going to tap on save. Now we're going to go back into Chatbox. And from there, I want to go back real quick. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to tap on this option. So I'm going to tap on Chatway Live Chat from the left-hand menu option. And from here, you can see how it looks. So your visitors can now contact you through Chatway Live Chat. Go to your store to start a test conversation. So we could go there and we could tap on Go to Store. After I've tapped on Go to Store, you can see that it automatically pops up since I had set it to pop up. Then from here, I could simply tap here. And then from there, I could type in something. So let's say, for example, I need help checking out. Then after doing that, you can see provide your details to get notified, and the customer will be prompted to enter their name and email address right there. Then they'll tap on submit. And if I were to close this, for example, and go back into Chatway, you can see right there, be instantly notified. You have just received their first message. So you can turn on allow notifications. and you will be instantly notified, as you can see right there. And you can see the message over here on the left hand menu option. So all you'll need to do is simply tap on it. Then from there you could write out a response, as you can see right here. And that's about it. You can also view your unresolved messages by tapping right there. You will be able to view the resolved ones, and you can also tap on segments, and you could create new segments if you want. By tapping right there, you could create new segments. And also, if you would like to edit anything further, you could go over to the bottom left hand corner right here, and you could tap on settings. From there, for example, let's say instead of the widget automatically opening, I could scroll down, and then from there I could simply tap on click to open, and I could tap on publish, so I could change it right there. And you can also tap on profile here if you would like to edit your profile in the future, or if you would like to upgrade and go onto their paid plan, you can also do that by tapping on plans. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.